Hello world, and welcome to my channel. This video is about a new GoPro I bought, a Hero 11 Black. I've got a 5 I bought off eBay secondhand many years ago. The one I'm recording it on is a 7 Hero Black, and this is a 5 Hero Black. This one's the new 11. Now, it was around $600 to buy, and that was with the accessory kit as well. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm unboxing. I've already cut it open the top, so that's what I'm doing now. So this is how it came, like that, like that. This is off the GoPro website, so that. And that. A bit slippery. Right, I'm going to come in now and show you. It came with the accessory pack. It comes with a SD card, and what I did is I bought the bigger card, so it cost me a little bit extra for the bigger card, and that's what I've got now. So it comes up packaged like that. Bit hard to do it one-handed. Yeah. GoPro. Oh, it comes with a case as well. I didn't expect it was a case. Yeah, so Hero Black 11. Comes with a case. Okay, as I said, I upgraded the SD card to a 64 gig, and I paid the extra to get that, which wasn't that much. So I'll just open it up without damaging the box somehow. Have to open it that way. Have to tear it open. So everything there is included in the package. So put that over there. That's a box. That's the case. GoPro. Now it was the same price if you got the accessory pack and if it didn't, so it didn't matter. So I'm just going to open it up. Oh yeah, in the box also is a packaging slip. The invoice they emailed to me, so I have the invoice there. That's just the packaging slip. Hero 11 Black accessory bundle, flash memory, 64 gig extreme. So that's the packaging slip. So it warns you have to update it before you use it. So I will do that. And that's what we got here. You can see it. You got the handle, you got straps, you've got a clip. And you have another accessory there, and you have the camera. Take that out first. So yeah, that's the handle. It's a new clip-on handle. So that's a clip-on mount. Two batteries. Two screw-on attachments. A USB cable. Put the package back in there. I always keep the boxes. Put back in there for a moment. That's the clip, and that must be the head one. I'm never going to put that back this way I got it, but yeah, so that's the head mount. To go up here, which is good. I already got one, but this has got better stabilisation, so I'll be able to use this more. Right, so that's that. And then it's also got a quick start guide and pro tips for best in cold weather. Cold weather, and what to do is start up. It's also the user manual. Have you any questions manual? So that's that. I'm glad I got a case for it. I was thinking about having to get a case. So yeah. So it looks like I have to update it before I can use it. But yeah. Can't take this off, so pull that off. And it warns you again on the camera, you must be updated before I use it. So I will update it. And charge the batteries up. Okay, it's a good case. I'll probably keep the boxes, everything there, to keep it all together. Keep it all nice and firm so it doesn't rattle around. But yeah, you get the case, the manuals, warnings. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. It tells you exactly how, scan code and everything. So I've got to do that. These are the two batteries. They're the extra long performance batteries, I've been told. So that should be good. That's the USB cable. That's a mount with some sticky stuff to the back of it with a curved surface. That's the card I got. 64 gig. That's the headband. Better than the quality than the one I've got, because the one I got was not a GoPro accessory, but it's a better one. Another mount here, which clicks into that. It'll click into that, and that'll have that on it. And that there can just, it's just a quick clip. Just open it up, and then you can slot it on something. Yeah, and that's my Hero 5. I bought that second hand. I can't remember how much I paid for it. $125, I think. Can't remember. It was a long time ago, but it came with a case and a lot of accessories with it anyway. Aftermarket case, so yeah. And I'll keep the box as well. Got a lot of new features. I've been listening to YouTube videos on what settings to use, and that's the bundle. Includes Enduro battery, 2 Enduro batteries, because one comes with the GoPro, the lead in the case, and the Enduro bundle is the handle, mounts, a couple of clip attachments, and the head attachment. But as I said, they're on their website, they were the same price. So yeah. Well, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take it over, and I'm going to plug it in and update everything, and I'll charge the batteries up. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.